Hello and welcome my friends, welcome to another unboxing. I've just returned from the post office with this pack. On this side it contains my address, and I will remove this like this, my friends. I hope that I can make it because it's very well glued to this box. So this was my address, and odd enough it contains my address on the other side as well, and this is the reason I will try to open this box on this side, my friends. So I have here my scissors, probably a better choice would be some cutters, but I don't think I will reuse this box anymore, so I will open it as hard as I can. And of course it contains another one. very difficult to open. And this I believe is just paper material, and I think the content is right over here, my dear friends. Yes, it's right over here. I'm expecting a mechanical pencil, but this wasn't the reason I bought this particular one. You will see the reason in a minute after I manage to open it and show you its content. Let me see. Yes, the content is inside, I think. Yes. Okay, this was it. And now let me show you. Yes, my dear friends. Oh, very nice. So, my dear friends, I'm unboxing this right before Christmas, and the seller included this very nice present from Santa. Here in Romania, gift from Santa Claus. And what is this, my friends? Well, this, my friends, it is a piece I've wanted for a long time, and I have right here the recent set I bought. So this is a desk set, and it was produced by Gold Star in France, and it came to me with this stand but without proper instruments to it. And this gentleman that sent me those pieces, I talked to him and wanted, I don't know, 10 euros for this Gold Starry, and very nice. He included this Gold Starry in like a gift. I will leave a link to the desk stand over here to see what I'm talking about. And curious enough, I was holding a piece that I bought from the same gentleman, this ST DuPont wonderful fountain pen, which, by the way, it lacks the grip section and the nib. I'm still searching for one. Let me place this here. But the reason I've made this purchase was this old mechanical pencil. Unfortunately, no producer's name on it. And I thought it is a neat little piece. And let me show it to you. It looks like this. It has a little bit of a problem right over here, but I bought it because it seems to be an old piece, my friends, and probably will be a nice bonus to my mechanical pencil small collection. But the main reason I bought this lot is for this Staedtler Mars. You can see Mars, and Resisto, probably it was the name of a mechanical pencil back then, produced by Mars. This is a recipient full of LEDs, as you can see. Judging the color, I think they are dark blue ones, very nice ones. And my friends, what did I pay for those items? Well, I paid for them only 60 leis, my friends. So 60 leis including the shipping cost. This means I paid 12.08 euros or 13.18 US dollars. And of course, this gold star was a bonus from the seller, and I want to thank him for this wonderful gesture. Thank you, Florin. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Christmas, and I hope you will find some nice writing instruments, because I know that this person is also a collector, but one of the nice ones, which is a pleasure to deal. What can I say, my friends? I want to wish you to have the same collaborators, the same wonderful sellers of fountain pens, in case you are collecting writing instruments. I want to wish you to have a wonderful day, my dear friends, wherever you are, and probably I will post this right around Christmas, because this was a very, very nice gesture. I was planning to post this video in 2024, but because of this wonderful, wonderful gift, I think it deserves a place on our 2023 list. So have a wonderful day, my dear friends. God bless you all. Bye bye.